Well, we have another active day ahead of us and throughout the evening, so this is expected to go through 9 p.m. later on tonight. We could see some quarter-sized to lime-sized hail with a few of these storms that are expected to move through, mainly out towards our far eastern plains. A few of these could also produce 60 to 70 mile-an-hour wind gusts, so it's a good day to stay weather aware. Now, these are the counties that will likely see the main threats as we go throughout the next couple of hours, going until 9 p.m. later on tonight. That's when these watches are expected to expire. Now, El Paso County and Pueblo County are not included within this watch, but we could still get some thunderstorms across the area. A closer look at the severe outlook as we go throughout the day today. So we have that slight risk that we see here in yellow, so that's going to be level 2 out of 5 in terms of the severe potential that we could see later on today. Again, the wind and the hail threat is really what's going to be on the table. I'm not going to rule out an isolated tornado, but that does remain to be on the lower side of things. Now, live look across southern Colorado. A few clouds moving in the area. We've already seen rain here across Colorado Springs, but we can see those clouds stretching across Woodland Park as well as Pueblo. We see some storms off in the distance up towards Monument Hill. We have a few clouds across the area, but no storms, at least up that way right now. So here's a live look at radar. Again, most of the storm activity is going to be in the Denver metro, closer to Castle Rock as well. We do have a few storms in northern El Paso County. Zooming in a little bit closer here, so closer to the Black Forest area, we have a few storms moving through that way. Closer to Monument as well, you're likely going to be getting some rain here in the next couple of minutes. And then down towards Los Animas County, which is included in the severe watch as we go throughout the evening, we have a few storms trying to pop up, and we had one severe warning earlier on today that has since expired for the evening. So we will continue to see that threat, especially as these storms continue to get more organized and get into a better environment out towards those far eastern counties. You can really see the heavy rain that we'll likely see with a few of these storms. They'll continue that potential as they go into Kansas, but once we hit about 8 o'clock, we'll start to clear out for the I-25 corridor, not quite clearing out for the plains as we go into that hour. We'll have a few lingering showers as we go into the overnight hours, but the cloud cover will continue to clear out. If you noticed haze across much of the area lately, it is still sticking around due to the upper level system that we are seeing is dragging all of that smoke from wildfires out in Utah as well as Arizona. So don't be surprised if we hold on to that smoke and haze as we go into your Sunday. So the next 24 hours, this boundary is going to be staying in place, but we'll continue to see the line of storms push out towards the plains. We'll have a few clouds move into the area, but as you notice going into your Sunday, we will continue that clear out with a few spotty showers across much of the area. Overnight lows tonight, we'll get into the 50s and 60s, though a few 40s will be sprinkled in there. Highs tomorrow will be in the mid 80s for the spring, so very similar temperatures to what we saw today, maybe a degree cooler in some areas. 93 expected for your high in Pueblo, and then here are the next 7 days and what you can expect. We are tracking much drier conditions, and with that will come the heat. So looking at Tuesday, we will likely be pushing into the record-breaking territory, and we will be getting into the mid-90s by Wednesday. But here's a closer look at your day planner going into your Sunday. We'll start off with mostly clear conditions. We'll build a few clouds as we go throughout the day. Pueblo, 93 for your Sunday. We will continue to clear out going into Monday. Triple digits will return into the forecast going into Tuesday, and we'll hold on to those triple digits for quite some time. Canyon City, 90 degrees for Sunday. Very similar conditions all the way through the forecast period with temperatures in the 90s. Woodland Park will get up into the 80s by Monday.